Welcome to PHYS2120. PHYS2120 is a course which is meant for science majors and engineers. Today we are going to talk about charges. But the first question is, what is a charge? A charge is a fundamental quantity of nature, just like mass, temperature, mole, etc. Matter has about 3 constituents. We have the proton, which is positively charged, the electron, which is negatively charged, and neutron, which has no charge, or it has a zero charge. The charge on a proton is 1.6 times 10 to the power negative 19 coulomb, and the charge on an electron is negative 1.6 times 10 to the power 19 coulomb. However, the charge on a neutron is 0 coulombs. The unit for a charge is what we call coulomb. There are about 6.28 times 10 to the power 18 electrons in 1 coulomb. So let's look at the atom itself. We know the atomic model from our chemistry courses. Let's take the basic atomic model. We have protons and neutrons occupy the nucleus of the atom, and we have electrons orbiting around the nucleus. So the nucleus has both protons and neutrons, and we have electrons orbiting these protons. The charge, like when you take a neutral object, let's say a piece of wood, and it is neutral, the number of charge, or ion or metal, the number of charges, that is the proton, is exactly equal to the number of electrons on that particular material. So for an object, the number of electrons, or the number of charges on that particular object is given as N equal to times E, where E is the basic unit of a charge, where N is an integer. So the amount of charges, let's say on this plastic cup, is given as a number which is an integer multiplying the number of electrons that are on this. We call this Q the net charge, meaning when you add this, the number of electrons that you have and the number of protons that you have, algebraically you get the net charge. If the magnitude of, or the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons, then this is a neutral charge. If the number of electrons outnumbers the number of protons, then we have a negatively charged object. Thank you.